Welcome to Powertech Insights. In this tutorial, I will provide a comprehensive guide on fault finding and troubleshooting for a three-phase AC generator alternator, the AVR Supply circuits, and PMG. Let's get started. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide on fault diagnosis for the AVR Supply circuits and PMG. Let's get started. Safety precautions. To ensure safety, always verify proper grounding before testing. Use PPE to protect yourself, including gloves and safety glasses. Ensure that all safety protocols are in place, such as lockout-tagout and PDW procedures. These tests should only be carried out by qualified and/or experienced engineers who have received safety training on live equipment. All test instruments and their leads, connectors, probes must be checked to ensure that they are suitable for the voltage levels being tested and are in good working order. Never attempt to test a live generator without another competent person present to shut down the engine or switchgear as necessary. Ensure that the work area is safe. Other personnel in the area are advised of what you are doing. Warning notices and tapes are displayed to advise others of the hazards. Required equipment and tools. Digital multimeter for measuring voltage, resistance, and continuity. Clamp meter for measuring AC-DC current without disconnecting wires. 12-volt DC battery to excite the exciter rotor. Possible symptoms of AVR supply failure. High voltage. This may be caused by loss of signal from the main stator. NO voltage. This may be caused by loss of power supply to the AVR. Unstable voltage. This may be caused by loose wiring or corroded terminals from the AVR to the generator. Fault finding of AVR supply circuits. Run the generator with a 12-volt battery connected to the exciter stator and check the AVR supply terminals. Check that the AVR is receiving the correct power and sensing supplies. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to support Powertech Insights and keep learning with more tutorials. AVR sensing and power supply from the main stator. Check all three sensing leads into the AVR using a multimeter on AC volts. The sensing and power supply should be half-line, line volts in series star. 4 single-phase and 240-volt three-phase machines. The sensing and power supply should be identical to the line voltage. Also check supply at the AVR terminals to ensure continuity of wiring. AVR power supply, PMG. Dowel pin for PMG rotor location. Ceramic magnet rotor, highly magnetic saturated field. 8-pole rotor, 100 Hz at 1500 RPM or 120 Hz at 1800 RPM. Through bolt fixture to shaft non-drive end. Permanent magnet stator. Run the generator at nominal speed and set the multimeter to read A.C volts. Check the permanent magnet stator output voltage across the 3 input terminals to the AVR. The voltage across P2, P3, P4 should be 170 to 220 volts A.C and balanced across phases. AVR sensing supply, 6 ends out stator. Using a multimeter set on A.C volts, check all 3 sensing leads into the AVR. To ensure continuity of wiring, check the leads at the AVR terminals. The sensing supply should be 190, 240 volts when the line voltage is at its correct nominal level. This is achieved by turns ratio of the sensing isolation transformer. Incorrect voltage levels could be caused by a transformer fault. Winding ratios are different for 480, 600, 690 volts primary input to supply 170 to 240 volts secondary into the AVR sensing input 6, 7, 8. This completes the testing of the windings, main rectifier, and AVR supplies. The final test is to check if the AVR is faulty. Testing the AVR. Check that the AVR is not being affected by adverse environmental conditions. Excessive temperature limits 40 degrees to plus 70 degrees C. Excessive vibration limits 50 mmSEC velocity at 2100 Hz. Excessive humidity limits 0 to 60 degrees C, 95%. If all operating conditions appear normal, The AVR should be changed with a new replacement unit. The defective unit can be returned to manufacturer for test and report. Being an encapsulated unit, the AVR is not reparable. This completes fault finding of 3-phase AC alternator. Any questions? In next videos, we're going to talk about complete AVR commissioning. Please stay tuned. Warning: always ensure that testing should be conducted by qualified personnel familiar with protection systems, and that all safety procedures are strictly followed. Attempting these without proper training and safety precautions can result in serious injury or death. Do not try this at home or without the necessary expertise. Powertech Insights is not responsible for any harm or damage caused by improper handling of electrical systems. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tutorials. See you in the next video.